Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. Welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, welcome. For those returning, hey girl, hey citizens, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another unboxing video, a luxury unboxing video. Today, guys, we are doing a Gucci double unboxing. I actually took a little trip to the King of Prussia Mall, and I picked up a belt from Gucci and a few other items, and then I ordered one of my items from Nordstrom. Remember, on my wish list I had the Gucci G slides, and if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I will link it right here. I had the Gucci slides with the gold G's to match my Gucci mini Marmot bag. So I purchased those and I got them from Nordstrom's. So we will be unboxing those, doing a little review, and maybe a little try on haul. So let's just get right into this Gucci double unboxing, guys. Nordstrom's sent the box like this. This was in another big giant brown box. This is actually the Gucci slide, and it came in a box like this inside of another brown box. So Nordstrom's, y'all need to step up y'all packaging, but here it is. So let's just get these open. And here is the beautiful Gucci box. How pretty. And I got these in a size 37. And comes with like the little care cards with the beautiful wrapping paper from Gucci. We just all love this wrapping paper. Let's see. And it's 2 dust bags. So let's get them out the dust bag. There's stuff with tissue paper. Take the tissue paper out. The tissue paper. Alright, so here they are. These are the Gucci thong sandals, black leather with the gold double G's. And like I said, these were on my wish list. And I think they go perfect with the Gucci mini Marmot bag that I bought. And here they are. They look so cute. So sleek. Here's the back. Has a little bumblebee logo on the back. So cute. I love them. Kind of hard too, but I have quite a few pair of Gucci thong sandals. The other ones, the older ones, but I don't know about comfort. They are a little hard. Very hard. I just love them because it's just simple. Real simple with your Gucci logo here, and then just the leather thong and the leather across the bridge of your foot. The leather strap here with the little thin thong. Super cute. Super sleek. Sexy. Alright, so we have those. Put those down. Alright, and now for what I picked up when I went to the King of Prussia Mall. I do have a vlog. I think I vlogged the day that I purchased this belt. I don't know. I can't remember if I finished the vlog or not. I gotta get better, guys. I gotta get better with the vlogs. I'm gonna get there. Well, here it is. Beautiful packaging. Love the ribbon. The green is just so pretty. Just open it up. It comes with the box with the magnetized lid. Comes with its own dust bag. And here is the tag. And this belt was $490. Let's just get it open. Here it is. And it actually matched the sandals as well. I love it. The leather is the same leather. Very sleek. And for this belt, I got this belt in a size. It's the same size as my old belt. Let me see. Let me look on the tag. Because it's not on the inside. On the older belts, they used to print it on there. Oh, here it is. I see it now. It's embossed. Hot stamped. Embossed. Not hot stamped. This is a size 85, which is probably like a 34 waist, I think. Remember, I wear my jeans in between. It depends on the company, but I'm in between a 4 and a 6. If you guys can, if you need size and help. But I would suggest going to the store because I didn't want to order my belt. Even though I have the old Gucci belt and I knew what size it was, I still wanted to go in the store and try it on because you never know, they might change sizes or anything like that. So to be safe, so you don't have to be mailing it back and forth, go and try it on if you can. So here it is. And then I picked up one little extra item, and let's get a thumbnail because I didn't do my thumbnail. Y'all know I love me a thumbnail. Okay, so this is like a little bonus. If you've been following my channel, you would know that I'm obsessed with this item that's in here. Let's just get it open. Here it is. Another pair of Gucci socks. I love their socks. Love, love, love. I have a serious Gucci sock fetish. I don't know what it is, but I just love their socks, and I actually wear them all year round. With my sneakers, I just love the look of the Gucci sock. So if you've been watching my channel, you know I love me some Gucci socks. And I get my Gucci socks. I'm a women's 37, which is like a 6.5 US. And I get my Gucci socks. Gucci socks are unisex. So I get a small or a medium. I'll do either or. Okay, guys. That is it for this Gucci double unboxing with the little bonus. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new here and you love videos like this and you want to become an official citizen, the only thing you have to do is hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified and become official citizen. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, Sid signing off. Peace.